Because I really love you. Yes, I really love you. Because I really love you. Yes, I do love you. And I'll do everything.
So just got to the spot. Saw this giant swimming around. Didn't even have time to put the camera on. Probably throwing it on right now. Alright. What's up? Got that purple and black, really it's a tarpon snake on there, and I was walking over to my marsh spot and saw this giant in the pond, and I'm by myself. Alright, I'm not going to worry about Instagram anymore. We'll get to that later. Let's try to get this guy in. It's been working for a minute, but he's still got some life in him. Oh man. I don't know if this is going to be my PV, but got to get him in first. Keep him away from that stick. Try to turn his head a little bit. Got 16-pound test on, so I can put a little bit of pressure on him. But I don't want to go too hard because, I don't know, man, he looks pretty big. Might be close to 30 inches, maybe more. Already taking me in my backing once. I didn't even have the camera on for it. His first run was ridiculous. Now he's coming back towards me, taking what I can here. Head's starting to come along. Oh, dude, he's big. Oh man, I hope I can get this guy in. Come on, buddy. Come on. He's just stuck here in this little pond. But he has grown to be a pond monster. Oh. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get tired. I mean, he's got to be close to wearing down. We've been fighting for a minute. Good long. Come on. Safely net this guy. Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Yes! Oh, holy cow. Oh, damn. I don't know, man. Maybe 20 pounds or so. Something like that. Whoa. Dude. Big old boy today. Yeah, thanks, fellas. ¿Lo voy a echar a ver? Sí. ¡No! Miren a Willy. Échalo, hijo, para acá, yo me lo voy a llevar al coche. He ain't going nowhere. He'll still be there. All right. Well, you guys just saw that. The grounds crew guys were pissed that I put that fish back. They wanted to eat it bad, but I couldn't do that. I had to throw that guy back. He's gonna make a bunch of little redfish. So yeah, this is gonna start out being a marsh fishing weight episode. And as I was walking past the golf course pond, we tagged a monster. So welcome to another episode of Fresh Salt Fishing. Let's keep it rolling. not very big. That olive and gold. He's better than I thought he was.